What up? We got this screw here. We're putting this little desk together. The screw we run in, it's in the wood. You can see it gets in, just keeps turning. This hole is stripped out and it came like that from IKEA. So we're gonna take that screw out. You can see all the little debris from the jank ass board. Enter toothpicks. See this toothpick? Put the toothpick down in there. Pull it out a little bit and break it off in about halves. See that? Fold that toothpick. Some people use wood glue and they'll put them down in there. See? Put this screw right in between those toothpicks. It's a trick my dad showed me. Give it a little tappity, get it going. Start screwing her in. It's like magic. You can already feel how tight it is. And there she is.